Browsers genuinely handle a real invalid CSS declaration gracefully, skipping just that one line, not the whole real style sheet. In this video you'll see real error handling in action. Background is a real typo. The browser genuinely doesn't recognize it, so this one real declaration is silently skipped. The real, correctly spelled property now genuinely works. Every other real declaration in the rule was unaffected by the earlier typo. A real missing semicolon genuinely merges two declarations into one invalid one. This actual error is more disruptive than a typo'd property name. An unrecognized real property is genuinely, silently skipped. Other real declarations in the same rule genuinely still apply. A missing semicolon can genuinely break more than just one declaration. Find and fix a real typo in a CSS file using browser devtools. Ready to work with real CSS colors in every format.